Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to do day 4 of your packet, which is on Thursday, April the 16th, and it is searching for gold. This is a lesson on tens and ones, which is one of your critical standards in first grade. So here on our board, I have some tens, and I also have some just ones. Now, if you'll remember, when we talked about tens and ones at school, we could also use our Unifix cubes, and we posted a lesson yesterday on our YouTube channel about tens and ones if you want to go back and do that. That lesson comes around week 2 or week 3 of your work packet, but if you're already to that point, then go on and get it done. So today we're just going to do this one, a quick lesson on tens and ones. I'm not going to do all of them with you, but I am going to show you a couple so I can get you started in case you're having any questions. All right, so here we go. All right. Number 1 says the number, so you're basically looking for like mystery numbers, okay? So it's giving you clues of how many tens and how many ones are in a number. So if you'll look at number 1, it says the number has 4 tens and 6 ones. All right, so remember these are groups of 10 because there are 10 in a bundle, so let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 4 tens. This is 1 10, so we need 4 of them. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so this number that we're trying to figure out what the number is has 4 tens. How many is that? How many is 4 tens? Remember, these are count by 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40. So the number has 4 tens. So we know that that number is going to be in the 40s. And it has 6 ones. Okay, so we're going to pull down 6 of our ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so this number has 4 tens and 6 ones. Now, if you're in Miss Vincent's class, you know Miss Vincent kind of likes you to stack up your 5. You're kind of like making a 5 here. You're making like a 10 frame before you add it together, but it doesn't really matter. You don't have to do it that way. So now we have 4 tens and 6 ones. So what number is that, boys and girls? 46. Now, does it really matter if my ones are on this side and my tens are on this side? No, because we always start counting with our tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. Okay, so on our work here, on the first one, it says the number has 4 tens and 6 ones. We're going to write the number 46. And we write the 46 as a 4 and a 6. Okay, now let's look at the second one. The number has 6 tens and 2 ones. Okay, so if we have 6 tens, let's go back to our board. We already had 4 here. I'm going to push these up. We've already got 4 here, but on this number it has 6. So I don't need to slide all these back up. I'm going to leave these here and just add 2 more. So I've got 4, 5, and 6. So that gives us 6, and it has 2 ones. Okay, so I'm just going to grab 2 of my ones, slide them through here. I'm going to put these on this side this time. Okay, so let's count it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, and 62. So what number is 6 tens and 2 ones? 62. Great job. All right, I want you to try the next one. Okay, and we write the 62 like that, 6 and a 2. Okay, the next number, the next problem says this number has 0 tens and 9 ones. 0 tens. What does 0 tens look like? Do we need any of these? Nope. So we're just going to slide these back up. So we don't need any tens. This number that we're going to put on number 3, not going to have any of these. 0 tens. Okay, and from our other number that we just did, we had 2 ones. But how many ones did this next one say? 9. It has 9 ones. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So if we don't have any 10s and 9 ones, what number is that, boys and girls? Just 9. Just 9. Some of you are 7, 6 or 7. So when you're 6 or 7, you're not a group of 10. You're not a group of 10. You've not been alive 10 years yet. So just like that number, it's not made a group of 10 yet. It has to have 10 before you make that group of 10. Okay, the next number says the number has 9 10s and 9 1s. 9 10s and 9 1s. Now we know that if it's 9 10s, that means we're going to count by 10s up till we get to 90. So here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So 9 10s is the number 90. But we're not going to write 90 because we still have some 1s. Okay, so we have 9 10s. That's the first number. That's in the 10s place. And then 9 1s. So we're just going to put the 9 1s next to the 9 10s, which gives us the number 99. Okay, let's do the last one here, and then I'm going to let you do this bottom row by yourself. All right, the number has 7 10s and 3 1s. Can you think about that in your head and think, what number has 7 10s and 3 1s? Now, I know that you are at home and you don't have these fancy little counters for your 10s and 1s. So let's just draw a quick draw. Just like in our Go Math book, it teaches us to do quick draws. And we do the little groups of 10s, the lines to represent the groups of 10s, and the circles to represent the groups of 1. So let's do 7 10s and 3 1s. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So that's 7 10s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 3 1s, 1, 2, 3. So what number is 7 10s and 3 1s? What number is that, boys and girls? Let's read it. 73. Good job. So on the last one on the top, the number is 73. So that's what you're going to do on that top row. You're just looking at the 10s and 1s and putting them together. Now, it's your turn. You do the bottom. If you have any questions, you can message your teacher. Bye, guys.